Okay, getting ready to go out and face the Blizzardo Diablo of 2011 after it's kind of passed over. Let's see what our alley looks like. Oh man, is it bright. Woo! That's gotta be... Oh, boy, it's thick. It's gotta be 3 feet in the alley here. Oh.